Welcome back, YouTube. So today is a failure video. Last week on the live stream I was marking out all these circles and really gearing up to make this really cool vase. I got about this far. I had a bit of an explosion, and what happened was the plywood separated between the plies, and that was a result from getting a catch while I was turning out the centerpiece. One thing about plywood is that the plies are actually very brittle. The glue they use for the plies is very brittle. So you can see, and the wood on the inside is really not the highest of quality. This is something you got to worry about when you're doing anything with the plywood, because, well, this was a catastrophic failure. I'm lucky it bounced off my chest and face and didn't go through the window like the last time I had a failure. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. I actually had something really cool planned, you know, like a little stacking montage type thing, and well, I'm not quite sure what to do now. So I think this is all going to be waste. Though at the end of the day, if you actually do learn from the mistake, it's not that bad of a mistake. And I did learn that turning plywood is probably not a good idea. I'm not exactly sure how I could have made this work, because if you go on the internet, you can see hundreds of plywood videos. If you go on the internet, you can see tons of vases that were turned from plywood, and I'm not sure how they were accomplished. So I think I'm going to use this as a learning moment for myself. Don't try and turn plywood. It can be a very bad idea. I guess that's the end of the video. Actually, what I'll do is I'll play a montage of what I actually did end up accomplishing, and feel free to watch it. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. I'm going to be making another picture frame, a nice small little cute one, which is another collaborative project between myself and a friend. We'll see how that goes. Also, guys, if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do my best to release new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every Monday is a Manliest Monday. Every Wednesday is a philosophy video. Every Friday is a project video. And I do my best to show everything, even if I do fail. Because I believe that you don't learn just from seeing people's successes. You learn from their failures as well. Namely, don't try to turn plywood. I've had plenty of failures that I've talked about and shown, because I think it is intrinsically valuable. So if you believe the same or similar, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and hopefully I have more successes than failures. Thanks for watching, and remember, guys, thank you for helping make this world better, one kerf at a time. See you next time.